The conversation didn't stop. It just evolved. So our Connect Bizminds family, first, thank you. Thank you for the messages, the patience, and staying in our corner while the screen was dark. We've been behind the scenes, listening, learning, and honestly recalibrating. In the world of business, it is easy to keep running until you are out of breath. But we realize that to give you the value you deserve, we have to step back and observe how the landscape was shifting, how our cameras were off. The world of business kept moving at light speed. New industries rose, old models crumbled, and the definition of success took on a whole new meaning. We didn't just take a break, we went on a mission. We've been busy sorting the stories that matter most for the next chapter of your journey. We've been sitting in the rooms with the disrupted, the quiet giants, and the entrepreneurs who are navigating this new era with precision. We are coming back with a sharper lens and even deeper insight. When we say the seats are filled, we mean we've created a lineup of guests who aren't just talking about profit. They are talking about legacy, resilience, and the raw mechanics of building something that lasts. The nights are live, and the minds is connected with are ready to challenge everything you thought you knew about the hustle. We are moving past the surface level tips and getting into the blueprint. Connect Bizminds was always meant to be more than a series of interviews. It was meant to be a bridge between where you are and where the world's most innovative minds are going. As we roll out these upcoming videos, we want you to engage like never before. Tell us what you are building. Tell us which strategies are working in your local market and which ones are failing. We are building a global database of business intelligence, and you are the most important part of that equation. This next chapter isn't just about our growth, it is about yours. So keep your notifications on. Check your settings to make sure you don't miss a beat. The world of business is changing. Don't just watch it happen, understand it. I'm Lady Cassandra and this is Connect Bizminds. We are back in business.